Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how to make your Twitter account private. In 2024, that is quite simple and easy. So, let's begin. And first, once you opened up your Twitter account, you need to go to your profile for a dead. Click on your profile icon. And once you are there, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy and Safety. And here select Audience and Tagging. And after that, toggle on Protect Your Tweets option. If that option is enabled, your tweet will show just for people that are following you. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful and see you next time.